Health. A. The Department of Health will take care of the physical and mental health of the Tibetan people living in exile holistically and give primary importance to the issues of both preventive and curative health programs. This will be the basis on which as much assistance as possible will be provided to those who are sick without having anybody to look after them, or those who are old and suffer from chronic illnesses. Likewise, the situation concerning the existing healthcare programs will be examined and revision as required will be made. B. As many traditional and allopathic health workers will be appointed in the settlements to provide door-to-door examinations in old age homes, elders in the community, patients with chronic illness, and to monastic institutions with no medical facility. Similarly, in the bigger settlements, we will strive to establish well-equipped modern allopathic hospitals. We will try to develop expertise in providing medical care on the more prevalent diseases in the community. C. Mother and child care facilities will be accorded primary importance. Not only will requisite facilities be provided, we will also impart online health education and consultancy on challenging health issues. D. We will strive to increase the number of doctors by increasing the number of reserved medical seats, provide supplementary scholarships, and invite volunteer doctors to serve in our communities. Efforts will be made to pool the resources of the Central Tibetan Administration and the Tibetan health workers employed in government and private hospitals in India to bring their skill and expertise to improve healthcare facilities in the settlements. E. Counseling and medical treatment facilities will be arranged to rehabilitate Tibetans who have become addicted to hallucinogenic drugs or who have turned alcoholic. F. Arrangements to provide as much palliative care as possible for special needs patients and for those who have no hope for medical cure will be made.